From the college homepage, northseattle.edu, click on Library in the blue banner to navigate to the library homepage. Our homepage has many helpful links, including our open hours, our contact information for librarians, and a link that helps you reserve study rooms. For this tutorial, we're looking for databases. The blue boxes on the left side are buttons to navigate to different resources available through the library. To get to the databases, click on News, Articles, Magazines, Journals, and e-Resources. On this page, this box has our two most popular databases, Academic Search Complete, which has a lot of academic journal articles in it and covers many academic disciplines, such as chemistry, literature, sociology, etc., as well as ProQuest Direct, which focuses mostly on newspapers and magazines, but also includes some scholarly journal content as well. When you're looking for content that's more specific to a discipline, check out the A to Z list of databases by clicking here. This is a list of all of the databases we subscribe to in the library, including a film database and an art image database. You can navigate by subject or scroll through to find what you're looking for. For example, if you want to find psych articles, you can click on P at the top of the page to get to your database with a name beginning with P faster. Most databases are subscription-based and cost money, meaning this is not information you can find for free on the internet. This also means you'll need to log in to the databases if you are using them from off campus. You do this using your student ID number and your last name. When you are on campus, the database will open with no login required. Each database has a slightly different layout, but most of them have an advanced search function that allows you to search using multiple keywords. If my topic is the effect of mental illness on family relationships, then I would break my topic into keywords or concepts and put one into each search box, not in a question form all in one box like you may do using Google or Bing. Additionally, we have the option to narrow to scholarly peer-reviewed journals, change the date range of publication to serve our research topic, and narrowing to full text, which we always want to do. Forgetting that step will give you abstracts or summaries in your search results that do not have full text articles available to read. This will make more sense once you start searching yourself. When I search with all of these criterion, full text, keywords, scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles, this is what I get. In scanning through, I like the look of this article, so I click on the title to open it. What I'm looking at is the record of the article, meaning the summary, authors, where it was published, etc. In order to open the whole article, I click on the PDF file image to the left. If I want to keep track of this article, I can email it to myself or save it to my Office or Google Drive. The last tip is that there is a Cite button. In the database that automatically makes your citation in the format you choose, such as MLA, APA, or Chicago. Be careful to double check the citation for errors before you turn in the citation for credit, because the database can make mistakes. But regardless, this shortcut will save you some time. Just remember to double check. If you have further questions about research, don't hesitate to reach out to us via email or use the 24/7 chat function to talk to a librarian, day or night. Thanks, and good luck.